We deal with a multitude of manufacturers, and from a customer support standpoint, Surface Hog is the best.
We deal with 6 or 7 different vendors that we buy our equipment from. Surface Hog, when they came down for the training, from the very get-go, from buying it to the purchasing to the training, all the way through following up with us, parts, service has been top-notch.
On Saturday morning, I'll never forget it, I was just on the internet and somehow or other I found James and it had a little video attached to it, so I played it and I thought, that's not real. And he took me to the job site, got the machine off, started working. 5 minutes later we shook hands and I bought a machine. Literally 5 minutes, because I just couldn't believe what I saw. And I've now bought 4 units. In terms of the UK, it's revolutionised the way we remove road marking.
You've got an issue, they jump on it. They have people ready and able and empowered to make decisions and make it right for the customer.
We work with about 15 to 20 different manufacturers, and when it comes to customer service, I really feel that Surface Hog's customer service is top-notch. If it isn't one person, it's different people that they'll get a hold of you and they'll take care of any problem you may have.
To be able to call you guys at 2 o'clock in the morning and get a phone call back within 10 minutes is unbelievable. You guys do a very good job on your technical support.